Today I'm in the incredible Lofoten Islands in Arctic Norway, and I'm going to show you how you can create some amazingly dramatic long exposure imagery using a 10-stop ND filter, the PhotoPills app, and some Platypod tools. Hi, my name is Kersten Luts and you're watching Platypod TV, brought to you by Platypod, where innovation never sleeps. Here's my setup. Camera, 10-stop ND filter, PhotoPills app, and the Platypod Extreme with the Platypod Traveler ball head. No legs, no drama. Perfect for any sketchy, rocky surface. Getting low changes everything. It brings the foreground right into the action and adds depth to your shot. Look for lines, texture, and movement, waves, clouds, reflections, and always think about stability. Wet rock, perfect Platypod territory. This is your starting point. Sharp? Sure, but not exactly dramatic, right? No motion blur, no mood. Here's where the PhotoPills app makes life so much easier. Enter your base shutter speed, select a 10-stop ND filter, and boom, it tells me I need a 15-second exposure for this shot. Maths? In this weather? No thanks. Now it's just about experimenting. 15 seconds will smooth out the water really nicely, but 30 seconds will take you straight to dreamland. The longer you go, the more surreal it gets. See the difference? At half a second, it's sharp but busy. At 15 seconds, it's starting to get softer, and 30 seconds introduces even more flow. And that's how you create long exposure magic using a 10-stop ND filter, the PhotoPills app, and a Platypod Extreme to get you those super awesome low angles. So that was super fun creating these long exposure images out here in Arctic Norway. I tell you what though, it is freezing cold. The one thing you shouldn't forget: photography gloves, worth their weight in gold. Now that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you haven't checked out the Camera Check podcast yet, what on earth have you been doing? Go and check it out wherever awesome podcasts live. Do me a favor, sign up to that as well. But that is it for now. That's me. Done here in the Arctic. I'm gonna go find a cafe, maybe a cinnamon bun. See you in the next video. Over and out. Until next time. Bye.